Dear students, we were discussing that what are the strategies which are available to discover the algorithms. And in previous module, we learned about two strategies, and in this module, we will learn further strategies of discovering the algorithm. So in today's module, we will learn two more strategies. One is called stepwise refinement or top-down approach. And the next strategy which we will learn, which is bottom-up strategy or methodology. So what is stepwise refinement or top-down approach? So you have a big problem. You do not try to solve the problem at once. You try to break that problem into small pieces and even further small pieces and further small pieces until you really feel that this particular piece can be solved independently, and then you solve all of the pieces independently, and then at the end you merge. So basically breaking up original problem into sub-problems until the entire problem has been reduced to a collection of easily solved sub-problems. So let's have a diagrammatical overview of it. We have general problem or approach, and then we have converted that problem into these sub-problems or approach to be part of the problem, and then each one has some specific steps. So you make your algorithm over this particular location. So if you want to understand this generic figure with a very specific example, then you can say, for example, you have been given a task to automate the virtual university. And you know that virtual university have different functions. So those functions can be expressed at this layer, this second layer. For example, this function or this approach or this problem could be the problem of student registration. This could be the problem of after their enrollment, the course assignment. This is, for example, related to their professors or accounts or other things. So all of these problems have been subdivided at this location, and then each of the divided problem is further divided into some specific steps, and for that you are going to make your algorithm. And the next strategy is bottom up strategy, which is progresses from specific to general. So you are going very deep and trying to solve problems from there, and then you are coming up. So we have an example of it. So for example, you are given this code that you have 5, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 2, 6. So this is basically a list which have been given to you which need to be sorted. So at first step, what you are doing, you are rearranging two numbers together. So for example, 5 and 2 are rearranged to form 2, 5 at this stage. And then 4 or 6 are rearranged. This is already arranged. Then 1 and 3 is already arranged. 2 and 6 is already arranged. So you have solved from bottom to form the top. And then you are going to merge 1, 3, 2, 6 like 1, then 2, then this 3, and then this 6. So you are going from bottom until the top by solving this problem. So this could be one of the strategy of algorithm discovery. So whatever technique you use, top down or bottom up approach, both approaches complement each other. So normally we say that the decomposition of a problem proposed by the top-down methodology of stepwise refinement is often guided by the problem solver's intuition, what it has in his mind, and which might be working in the bottom-up mode. So person is basically dividing the problem into small problems. However, that person is thinking in his mind to solve the problems from depth. So actually both approaches are basically complementing each other to make your algorithm discovery. So if we conclude today's module, we have learned two more approaches for algorithm discovery. One is the stepwise refinement or top-down methodology, and the next one is bottom-up methodology.